For you, evolved coverage for evolved viewers. Times Now, India's only election headquarters.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Curtains have been drawn on the world's biggest polling marathon as we build up to the Super Saturday exit poll broadcast. Let's get you the Satta Bazaar numbers, because numbers is what everyone wants to know about. And 6:30 is the time that Election Commission allows us to put out the numbers of our exit polls, and I have those in my hand. The state-wise numbers coming up for you straight on at 6:30. But before the numbers, we get you the numbers that are the estimates that have been put out by several agencies. As per the latest media reports, the Falodi Satta Bazaar of Rajasthan, which has a history of accurate predictions, whether in elections, cricket matches, or whether it's forecast, we'll give you all these Satta Bazaar numbers. But before we go to the Satta Bazaar numbers, I want to introduce our guests joining us this evening. We have a big panel, and joining me, as we always do, Padmaja Joshi and Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan. This is the three-barrel information machine that's going to come out of India's election news headquarters. With us, to my right, is Jay Mrug, our resident cephalogist. With him, Anand Ranganathan. What should I call you? Scientist of numbers? Scientist of DNAs of political parties? I don't know what, but thank you very much for coming back this election. Mr. Rajagopalan, thank you very much for joining me, and I'm looking forward to some really big statements coming from you, but you're already wearing black. Your mood not very good today?
Can I tell you in your ears?
No,
ears?
No, people are watching.
Congress condolences.
Congress condolences already black. So have you moved to the other side? You're worrying about them?
When MPs can wear black shirt, why can't newsmen?
Okay, all right. Well, on the other hand, Sabah Naqvi to my left, senior journalist, you're in black as well. Sabah, did you and Rajagopalan, very unlikely, but did you discuss your wardrobes?
No, she joined DMK. That is the DMK color.
I never thought of that.
The party flag colors. It's black and red.
Is it DMK colors?
Yeah, black and red.
Great. Good.
Okay,
good.
so Sabah Naqvi, thank you very much, and thanks for coming back this election. And we've done a lot of election on Times Now, and we argue, we debate, we put out the numbers, we put out the stories, we get the best analysis, and we hope this time too we'll do the same. Thank you very much, Kamruzaman Chaudhary, for joining us. Congress leader, the only one who looks at us rather patiently when his party boycotts us. But thank you very much for joining us. And also my friend Sanjay Jha, author, suspended Congress leader, and with us every election. Pleasure to have you in our studio.
Black.
No, he's in navy blue, please.
And let me tell you, Navika, I promised to take him shopping on the 4th of June and buy him a lovely blue T-shirt. I'll buy you a blue T-shirt so that you remember the India Alliance victory forever.
Okay, all right. So that's a promise, and several witnesses. But let me go to our first floor. And we have our two analysts right there. JVC joining us. He's got the numbers, and I think, JVC, as much as I know you, I think you're going to give 400 plus to the BJP or NDA. How are you looking at these elections?
I think 400 is going to be a far-fetched figure, Navika.
Okay.
400 probably, if the BJP is able to win every single toss-up seat and NDA partners are going to pull through, then 400 is possibility. I can tell you what I'm looking at is BJP at 329 plus NDA at 383, okay. Congress at 51, and India to pull through, then 400 is possibility. I can tell you what I'm looking at is BJP at 329 plus NDA at 383, okay. Congress at 51, and India at 136. I can give you the numbers straight away.
बड़ा आपने अच्छा नंबर दिया है, बड़ा जल्दी बता दिया, मैंने तो पूछा भी नहीं था, but he's given the numbers away. But also joining us, Tushar Gupta.
These are numbers of the exit poll.
No, these are his numbers. These are not.
I was just wondering.
This is JVC exit poll. If we put out,
One round
if
for
we put
everyone.
out our
You
numbers,
ask everyone before
I will, sir. After the Satta Bazaar. But
polled by
Tushar, thank you
100%.
very much.
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है।
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे।